Right now, 3 separate missions are scanning the cosmos for alien biosignatures, and 2 of them have found anomalies that scientists can't explain. We're closer to discovering extraterrestrial life than at any point in human history, with rovers drilling into Martian ice, telescopes analyzing potentially habitable planets, and deep space listening stations picking up signals that don't match anything natural. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which discovery is most likely to happen first, when it could happen, and the one question scientists are afraid to answer. What if they're already watching us? Are we alone in the universe? This is, honestly, perhaps the most profound question we can ask. For centuries, we've looked up at the stars and wondered. But today, we're doing more than just wondering. Right now, as you listen to this, humanity has dispatched its robotic explorers and pointed its most powerful instruments toward the heavens, all in the grand pursuit of an answer. 3 major missions are at the forefront of this epic quest, each designed to sniff out the telltale signs of life beyond Earth, what we call biosignatures. They are our cosmic detectives, piecing together clues from distant worlds. The search is more thrilling than ever because we're finding things we just cannot easily explain. We're encountering mysteries that, honestly, make the hair on our arms stand up. Out of our 3 primary missions scanning the cosmos for life, 2 have already sent back data showing unexplained anomalies. These aren't little green men waving hello, well, not yet. They are subtle chemical imbalances in a planet's atmosphere, or strange recurring energy signals from a distant star system. Signals that don't fit our known models, whispers from the dark, hints that something unknown, perhaps something alive, is out there waiting to be found. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's the frontier of modern science. How do we even begin to search for life across the vast, empty distances of space? We do it with technology born from human ingenuity. We've built incredible machines that extend our senses across the solar system and beyond. On the red plains of Mars, our rovers are our hands and eyes. Machines like the Perseverance rover are more than just remote-controlled cars. They are rolling geological laboratories. They drill into ancient riverbeds. They analyze rock samples, searching for the fossilized chemical fingerprints of microbial life that might have thrived there billions of years ago when Mars was a warmer, wetter world. We have giant eyes on the sky, telescopes of immense power and precision. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just looking for beautiful nebulae. It's a time machine and a life finder. It can stare at exoplanets and analyze the starlight passing through their atmospheres, breaking it into colors to identify the gases present. Finding abundant oxygen, methane, and water vapor all at once could be a screaming sign of a living, breathing biosphere. And then there are our ears. All around the globe, arrays of giant radio dishes are listening for signals that are not random cosmic noise. These deep space listening stations scan millions of channels, searching for a beacon, a structured signal, a message deliberately sent by an intelligent civilization. Roving, gazing, and listening. Our global strategy to find extraterrestrial life. From a Martian microbe to a distant biosphere or a deliberate radio message, our machines are ready, silent sentinels on the cosmic ocean. So, what kind of discovery will come first? Will it be a giant spaceship landing in a city park? Probably not. The first confirmed evidence of alien life is most likely to be something small. Very small. The most probable first discovery will be microbial. Simple, single-celled organisms, living or fossilized, right here in our own solar system. Mars is the prime candidate. A rover could drill a core sample, find complex organic molecules that could not have formed naturally without biology, or perhaps we'll find them in the hidden ocean beneath the icy shell of Jupiter's moon, Europa. This discovery won't be a single dramatic moment. It'll be a slow, careful process. A scientist will see a strange reading. Then others will try to prove it wrong, running every test imaginable to rule out a fluke or contamination. The announcement, when it comes, will be cautious, phrased in careful language, evidence strongly suggestive of past biological processes. It won't be a "we found aliens" headline, at least not at first, but the implication will be earth-shattering. Life is not unique to our planet. The universe is seeded with it. When could this happen? It could be much sooner than you think. Perseverance on Mars, Europa Clipper mission. We could be looking at the right data right now and just not know it yet. A realistic time frame for confirmation could be within 10 to 20 years. By 2045, a definitive answer is highly probable. From Mars rocks, oceans of an outer moon, or a strong exoplanet biosignature. The first hello from the universe will likely be a whisper, a chemical signature, not a shout. The moment the evidence becomes undeniable, everything will change. For scientists, it would be the beginning of a golden age, igniting revolutions in biology, chemistry, and philosophy. Astrobiology would explode. We would have a second data point for life, finally seeing what is universal biology and what is merely Earth-specific. Every institution would pivot, dedicating immense resources to study. Martian microbe, distant biosphere. Science gains a renewed purpose. For governments, secrecy at first, then international cooperation becomes essential. Who owns the discovery? How do we approach it? Do we contact it, study from afar, or leave it alone? Nations might form a global body to manage our response. It could unite us in wonder, or spark rivalries to exploit new knowledge. For you and me, the change is personal. Religions reconcile. Philosophers debate. Culture fills with wonder and humility. The stars become potential homes. Our cosmic loneliness ends. Art, music, stories, and dreams shift. We are challenged to be worthy representatives of Earth. A new chapter begins. We've talked about finding microbes and distant atmospheres. This is the search we control. We are the ones looking. But what if the search is already over, and we are not the ones who made the discovery? What if another intelligence, far older and more advanced, found us long ago, and is watching us right now? They could have observed Earth before humans evolved, watched the dinosaurs roam, watched us discover fire, build cities, and split the atom. Perhaps we live in a cosmic nature preserve, a specimen in a galactic zoo, with a strict do not disturb. Our broadcasts have shouted into space for a century. If there are watchers, they know we are here. The real question isn't, are we alone? It's, when will they decide we are ready to know they are here? If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe and like for more curious and thought-provoking videos like this one.